Hey, Glenn, is this the Elvis?
This is the Elvis. So a few weeks ago on our most watched YouTube recipe series,
we made a really great peanut butter slab cake.
Yeah, Noreen's Kitchen. Really
Thanks,
great
Noreen.
recipe. Really great recipe. And at the end of that recipe, we started laughing about things that we could do with the cake to make it a little bit different.
All those things that go great with peanut butter. Me, I really like bacon with peanut butter.
Which came to the Elvis. So this is a peanut butter sheet cake with banana mixed in and bacon on top. Here's how I made it. So essentially the cake is exactly the same. You start out by putting butter, water, and peanut butter into a pan and bringing that up to temperature, melting it and mixing it all together. Except I added some mashed banana to that mixture, just to bring that banana flavor into the cake. While that was heating, I mixed together the dry ingredients, so that's baking soda and flour. And then into some buttermilk, I cracked 2 eggs, put in some vanilla, and then whisked that together. Once the butter and peanut butter mixture had melted together, you pull that off the stove, and I mixed sugar into that and then just waited for it to cool down a little bit. And if you put your finger the right way at the end of a banana, you can split it into 3 pieces. And then I chopped it up. Before I mixed in the buttermilk mixture and then the flour mixture. I poured that cake batter into a sheet pan. Smoothed it out, put the banana pieces on top, and stuck that in the oven. While that was in the oven, I made the glaze. And again, you just dump everything into a pot. You bring it up to a boil. You take it off and then you whisk in some icing sugar. But I also chopped up some bacon and fried it off really crisp. And after I glazed the cake, I sprinkled the bacon on top. Okay. Give it a go.
All right, I'm going to totally high grade that bacon because I like bacon with peanut butter a lot.
Now, I fully admit this could be a complete disaster because I altered the cake.
The bacon's really good.
Bacon's good. That banana peanut butter flavor.
Yeah, and it's still really moist.
Yeah. I was worried that it wouldn't cook quite as well, that mashed banana might have added too much.
Maybe. But seems to be really good.
It is really good.
So
yeah.
Great base cake.
Yeah.
Thanks, Noreen.
And then the mashed banana in there with the banana pieces.
So it just really tells you how much fun you can have when you have a really great base recipe to start with. So make it your own. What are you going to do?
Well, and that's the thing. People talk about baking in absolutes. That you can't vary the recipe, because if you vary the recipe, it's not going to work. But if we didn't vary the recipe, we'd all be making one cake.
Yes.
And that one cake would be a dry pound cake. There'd be butter, egg, no flavor. So you can... No, but really, if you don't try stuff, you don't get new things.
Yes, I'm just...
I know. There are no absolutes. Even in baking, there are no absolutes. Try stuff.
What's the worst thing that happens?
We'll do it on a Tuesday, not on a Saturday night for a dinner party where failure, if you fail. So do it on a Tuesday, fail, learn, try again, fail again. But chances are you might not fail and you'll end up with this, the Elvis. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.
Have a good night.